Red side! Here we go. Doing some cooking here. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, which is 1 cup of white rice and 1 cup of millet that I've rinsed. So a cup of rice, cup of millet. Now you can use brown rice. I just, in particular, don't like brown rice, so I use white. But whichever one you want is fine. So half rice, half millet, half rice of any kind. Now, typically we just use water or veggie stock as the liquid in there, but this is 8 ounces here. So this is 1 cup of this simmer sauce that I'm gonna be using as one of the cups of liquid. So I'm gonna be putting this, which is 1 cup, plus an additional cup and 2/3 of water. And that's just gonna give it some flavor, of course. Okay, then we have 3 little stalks of celery here, 3 carrots, small carrots, they're not very big. I got 1 orange bell pepper right there, and then some tofu. Now, if you don't wanna use tofu, if you wanna keep it, you know, lower fat, but still get the extra protein in there, I would say put in like some black beans or some kidney beans or whatever, pintos, whatever you wanna use. But you can sub that out for the tofu, or instead of the tofu, if you wanted to use one of those like frozen crumbles or whatever, I'm sure that would work too. I also got a small onion here. Okay, so that's pretty much all the ingredients. Oh, I have a few olives in here as well that I'm gonna throw in there, but not many. You don't have to add those. But that's pretty much it. Simple ingredients, easy stuff, and we'll see how it comes out. So I'm gonna get chopping here. All right, guys, so we got all our stuff chopped up here. We're not gonna chop the tofu up. We're actually just gonna crumble it with our hands when we put it in there. First thing we're gonna do though is we're gonna saute this stuff just like we did in the last cooking video. We're just gonna dry saute it, but again, if you wanted to add a little bit of water. Once everything's in there, I'm also gonna add probably just a tablespoon of this. I guess you can go more. You won't really taste it or anything like that, but it will add some omega-3s for you, which is always good. Don't ever neglect the flaxseed. It's definitely good for you. All right, so let's get this thing on saute here, or sear, I guess, as they call it on my machine. And you can actually control the time, but I'm just gonna set it for that. This stuff's already been rinsed and stuff. It's just waiting. It's just sitting here waiting. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Then we'll add this stuff in before we actually set it to cook. And same with the tofu. We're gonna get that, we're gonna give this a nice little sauteing, then add everything else in there. We're just gonna throw this stuff in there. Oh no, I just dropped some. And normally I would add some salt and pepper and stuff, but I mean, this is gonna give it plenty of flavor here, so I'm not really worried about the seasoning at this point. Also, I think I may actually add in some garlic here. All right, we're just gonna drop in this spoon of garlic here. You can add in as much as you want, but I'm gonna put that amount in here. And it's just gonna saute for a few minutes along with this. Okay, so that's taken care of here. Now we're gonna add in our liquid and rice and all the other stuff here. So liquid first here, I guess, why not? That, add that in there. And just crumble it. And then we're gonna add this stuff. Now I would say if you don't have this stuff, typically what I would do here is just add, instead of a cup of water, add in a cup of salsa. Okay, and let's stir it all up here. All right, close this guy up. Okay, so we're gonna do manual on high for 10 minutes, and then it's gonna naturally release as well. So it'll take about 20 minutes to naturally release, around there. We'll be back when it's done. Alright guys, so while this thing is preheating and cooking, got a few shout outs here. Alright, shout out number one. I think we've shouted him out before, but we're going to give him another one. Ivan the Vegan, put a link to his channel up above. Go check him out, give him a view, give him a like, give him a sub, all that good stuff. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right, but I got Tyanna Semone. I'm new to her channel, but she's got some good stuff on there. Go check her out as well, throw her a sub. And last but not least, Vegan Homeboy. Vegan Homeboy, go check him out. His channel's got lots of good stuff. So definitely give him a sub, a like, a watch, a share, all that stuff too. Spread the love. All right, guys, let's let this stuff cook. We'll be back. All right, time to open this guy up here. Let's see what we got. Looks good. Smells good. Nice consistency here. Looks like it turned out really good. So this isn't really a recipe, it's kind of more just something I threw together here after I got home from work. But you can pretty much add in whatever you want here. All right guys, well that's gonna do it for today. I'm sure I'll be back tomorrow with another vlog here. I'm just gonna start doing that again. It's a lot more fun doing it every day anyway. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that damn notification bell as well. Go do the same for the 3 shout outs that we did today. Go hook them up. Till next time guys, till tomorrow, take care.